known as Textiles, and I'm going to be talking to you about the Evaglide hand-drawn curtain track. The Evaglide hand-drawn is a 14mm high by 20mm deep profile. It comes with a strong, robust, powder-coated finish and is available in 3 colours. It's available in white, silver and black. All colours are available with matching colour-coordinated components, including end caps, carriers and brackets. There are multiple bracket options available, from small to large wall-fixed brackets, ceiling brackets, double and triple brackets. It is easy to assemble and is available on a made-to-measure service as well as in component form. It's compatible with all our heading types, including Easiwave, Easiflex and Easifold, as well as standard carriers and static carriers. We also have a stock carrier that provides just enough friction to allow you to move the curtain, but it will stop the leading edge where you want it to stop spring back on Easiwave, Easifold, Easiflex. It is available, as I say, with static carriers, which make it suitable for arched and apex windows. The track can be bent to a 10cm radius internally and externally, and it can also be curved and arched to a 50cm radius. It will allow weights of up to 8 kilos per metre, making it suitable for both contract and domestic use, and will suit any window application required, including bent, curved, arched and apex windows. As with all of our curtain tracks, it comes with a 10-year warranty. Thank you.